Hi, I'm Venkatesh Murthy. Welcome to Money Anchors. In this tutorial, I will show you how I made a profit of 0.5% in 3 hours using short strangle. Trading has risks involved, so do not blindly follow my trades. I'm using Sensibull. Let me open Sensibull, choose Strategy Builder, select Neutral Strategy, and select Short Strangle. Tool has already selected 17,000 put side and 17,400 call side, which is roughly 200 points away from the spot price, and increase the lot size from 1 to 2, which is 100 quantity. This shows a max profit of 6,485, and I have used a capital of 2.3 lakhs to execute this order. Select Trade All, which will take you to the basket order of Sensibull. It will show the margin needed and margin available, and place all at market price. As you can see, my orders are successfully executed. Now you see my positions at a premium of 23 rupees for put and 66 for call. And my break even is 16,935 to 17,464 on the 21st of April expiry. Now I have started recording live on how my P&L moves over a period of time, and have continued. So let's see how it works over a period of time. My profits are slowly climbing up due to time decay and markets being sideways. In 1 hour, I have profited about 500 rupees. You may also want to watch this video in a 1.5x to see how the timelines are moving faster. In about 2 hours, it's at 1000 rupees and with 0.5% ROI, and I could have chosen to exit this trade. Just keep in mind not to trade on neutral strategy when markets are volatile. Do like, comment, and share, and watch our other tutorials in the playlist. And do join us at the Telegram link provided in the comments below. Happy trading.